Hi everyone, just picking up some brushes here, and I'm back with another tutorial, starting off with a fresh face, and my first step is doing my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And don't forget to blend the inner part because it's supposed to look super soft. And now I'm just cleaning up my brows by using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium, and then blending that out with my finger so it's a little bit softer. Up next, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and the shade that I'm using for this look today is Saturn. It's this bright orange autumn themed color. So I'm just blending that into the inner corner of my eye and then applying that on my waterline. The next shade I'm going to use is from the Subculture palette, and the name is New Wave. It's a lighter shade of orange with a tint of yellow, and I'm using that to blend out the orange and creating this yellow outer ring. For my glitter topper, I'm going back to the Prism palette and applying the shade Eternal. I'm starting at the middle part of my eye, and then I'm going to press onto my crease so that I know where it ends. And slightly I'm going to start moving towards the inner part of my eye. Lastly, I'm using this shade Pyramid from the same palette, and I'm using this shade as a highlighter. Putting it in the mid-center of my eye, inner corners. I'm also applying it under my brow. Great, now we're moving on to foundation. I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Poreless in this oh my god, I can't say shade, in the shade Sun Beige. Jesus, that was so hard. Why? Next up, I'm using concealer. This specific one is by Kat Von D in the shade Medium. I'm really liking this product, and it's probably going to be my monthly favorite because of the amazing applicator, first of all. It has a pointed tip, and it's great on my skin. I have combo skin, and I'm glad that it blends seamlessly. I know, my holy grail is the Tarte Shape Tape, but I think this one is taking the cake for me. Y'all know I can't finish a makeup look without contouring, so I'm using my favorite NYX Wonder Sticks in the shade Deep, and first I'm going to contour my nose. Then using a flat brush, this one specifically from Morphe, I'm going to try to blend my contour until it looks as soft as possible. It's time to bake, and this product that I'm using is by Laura Mercier. Her translucent powder, something that I've been using for years now. Baking is essential when you want to make your look very soft. I like to put it particularly under my cheekbones, my chin, my nose bridge, and the mid-center of my forehead. I like this product in particular because it is very finely milled and it smells really good, so I like to invest in this one if I can. Here I'm using Physicians Formula Ultra Black Liner. I'm creating this winged eyeliner. I feel like every day is a challenge for me because I'm always trying to see which winged eyeliner will fit my eye shape. So here I'm simply just swooshing it from the corner of my eye, and then on the inner corners I'm creating this dimension that my eyes are a little bit bigger. Now that we're done with our liner, we're moving on to the lips. This product by 3CE in the shade Explicit is a color tint. I've been loving color tints lately and I'm still saving up for a lot more. I like the fact that it is transfer proof and it's very light on the lips. And just like that, I'm just patting it around just so that it can cover up much more surface. And for the second product, it's by the same brand in the shade Tawny Red. Then I'm applying it to the first layer of lipstick. And while that's done, I'm going to blot it all over my lips. So then it creates this soft orange look. These pairs of lashes are from Eden Rose in Heartbreaker. And I love these lashes right now. They're my go-tos because they're super flirty and fluttery. Now I'm just taking off the powder with a really open, big brush. This brush is really big. Sometimes I have to open my eyes very wide to get the powder off my cheekbones. And the very last step, I'm applying highlighter. This one's by Anastasia Beverly Hills by Amrezy. This one just gives like a natural glow, and it's not too cakey or ghost-like. Alright, the look is finished. This is the final look. I'm so glad you watched till the end. If you'd like to see more content, please comment, like, and subscribe. All my social media handles are going to be in the description box below. Thank you for watching.